Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have decided to put together a Halloween frame art and I hope that you will join me. For this project you will need a shadow box or a very deep picture frame. You will also need a background for your project. I will be using this napkin. It has a poison bottle, a crow, spider, and it is scripted. And this is what it looks like if you open it up. You will also need a sheet of cardstock, and I'll be using this gray one. You will need some Mod Podge, and you will need some embellishments to go inside your shadow box. I have some bones, I have a skeleton, I have some words, spiders. I also have some sequins that I might want to use. I also have my distress ink here, and it's in the vintage photo color. And for this project you will also need your basic tool like your scissors, your ruler, your pencils, glues, and I will let you know if I need any additional supplies to complete my project. The first thing I want to do is work on the background for my art, and I have my cardstock here and my napkin and my frame. I bought my frame from Dollar Tree and it comes with that glittered or the star confetti. So what I want to do is take that out, and I like this frame because look, it has the little swivel tab, so just turn that, and then I need to pop this out. There we go. And then I'm going to take my glitter or my star confetti, and I'm going to save that. I will definitely use that in a different project. And now I have just a frame. I'm going to move that aside, and I want to take this insert that it came with and just use that. And I'm just going to mark my paper. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to do a rough cut. I'm just going to cut it like an inch larger than I need. And then when I'm done with the whatever I need to do with this, then I will trim it down to the size I need. I now need my napkin, and I just want to separate my napkin. So they always come layered, so all we need is the top layered. Separate it, and it looks to be just 2 layers, so we're good. Now I need my cardstock, and I like this image right here, so I'm going to make sure I have that piece right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut around. Now here's my cardstock, and if I put this on here like this, so you can kind of see the shadow. I think it'll be okay. I can trim this off. Get that out of the way, and then let me try this again. So I want to make sure that I do have my bird there and my bottle. And next I need my Mod Podge, and I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge on the paper itself, my cardstock rather. And I'm going to go ahead and cover this. I am not too worried about my paper wrinkling anywhere at all. Let me see how I'll do this. Can you get my paper, my napkin down, and then I think I will just put this on here like this. There we go, look at that. Let me trim some of this paper down. And then this is what I have right now. And I'm going to cover this whole thing with Mod Podge now. I have my background here. I dried it with my heating tool. And now I want to go ahead and trim this down a bit more. So I need my cheat sheet here. And I definitely want to keep the head of the bird. So I think about right there. Now I want to go ahead and trim this all the way down to the size I need. There we go. And then let me see what it looks like in the frame. I'll slide that in there. See there? Okay, let me take this back out. And I want to work on this background now. I have these spider rings. They're from Dollar Tree too. And I want to replace my spider up in the corner. I want to put some gems on the crow's eyes. I think it'll look really good. I have this one that has multiple size black gems in there, and I want to put one of these on here. Now I want to do something with this. You see the skull and crossbones there? I'm going to take my new background and grab my original backings, and I want to go ahead and just glue that to there, and I hope that will work really well. You know, keep it together. And let's see, I think I'm just going to use my glue stick for this because I don't want to get my paper all wet again. So I just want it to be more like something to help stabilize that paper. And then I'm going to slide this on here. There we go. And then just press the paper down. I like it. That's my new background. I like it. Okay, now I'm going to put this aside, grab my frame. And I want to put some stuff in here. So let's see. So this is where it hangs if you want to hang it up, or if you want your art to go this way, that side. But I want this side here. So I have my bones here. I want to use my bones. Throw some of that in there. I have some black sequins. I think I'm going to add some of this in here too. That's good. I have some of this tube beads that I use in my last project. Hopefully you look at that. I'm going to put some of that. I think that's good. They're just tube beads that have been like cut down. I think that's good. Let me put my backing on here, and then we'll take a look and see what it looks like. I'm quite excited. Oh, I forgot my skeleton. And let's see, how will I do this? I don't think it's gonna work. I was hoping to slide this, put him in here, but his shoulder is too wide. Okay, I'll leave him out. I think I'll just glue him to the front. I think that'll work. And tuck this back in here and turn my little flappers. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. How's that? I like it. It's a little squishy on this side. But that's good though. Right? I like it. Nice. Look at that. Cute. And then I can put my skeleton. Well, I'm going to use it as like a table topper, so I can put him up here. That'll work too. Look, if I sit him up here. Look at him. He's so happy. Or I could just, like, you know, if when I put my wall art, my art there, I can sit him right here in front of it. Here is my new Halloween frame art. I really like it. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. I did take some of the bones back out because there was just a bit too much. So I'm liking the way the bones fall. Really cute. I'm quite happy with it. And I hope you guys like it too and that you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.